Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial of Photoshop, how to create gradient map for black and white conversion. We will use gradient editor for creative black and white tones. Open your photo and duplicate it. Then go to the image adjustment gradient map. Click the gradient bar to open the editor and also add black and white stripes adjusting midpoints. You can add warm gray tones for soft transitions and also click OK and see the stylish monochrome result. Switch blend mode to soft light for a cinematic feel, lower opacity for subtle tones, mapping, add a second gradient for split toning. This method gives artistic grayscale control.